Again, welcome. We have a problem now. I am the last presentation in the morning. I saw everybody of you is a little bit tired. Unfortunately, I have no fireworks or music for you, and you have just to enjoy with myself and my presentation. I hope that you will be able anyway to spend the next 20, maximum 30 minutes enjoying what I will talk to you. I would like to start with a presentation of our company because we are a completely different company from the companies which have spoken till now. We are Italian, but basically we are a family business. A family company is a typical structure of an Italian company. And according to me, it's important for people that would like to choose our product to know what is on the behind, what we call behind the scenes of our history. Since the beginning, we were manufacturing packaging, manufacturing paper pouches. So we have a tradition of manufacture. This is really important in the actual business because the know-how of manufacture everywhere is fantastic. Because now a lot of companies are proposing, especially in the machinery business, are proposing OEM product, and they say we are manufacturer, but they are not manufacturer. For us, manufacture is really a philosophy. Of course, that was my grandfather's factory. But in 1954, we start working in the packaging machine. So it's a long story about packaging machine, not only medical. So we are a packaging expert. In 1980, we started working in the medical market thanks to a cooperation with the US 3M for the Italian branch. They were looking for a partner for the sealers for their pouches. Then we started to work in this market. And now, after years and years, we are manufacturing large quantity of sealers, of medical sealers, very well known everywhere in the world. But I told you we are a packaging company, so as Anchor say, we are also in the food market, and we are manufacturing also huge machine. This is a machine that is 4 meter by 4 meter. So again, we are packaging expert, packaging machine expert. This is very important. Of course, we have a mission that is structure, innovation, range of product, growth. I don't want to annoy you too much. But all of things are for servicing our customer as much as possible. We have quality and we have design. This is for us is very important. This is typical Italian. And I have appreciated that also people coming inside this room have immediately look at our products that are on your back and say, wow. And that's for me is very important because it's really what we want. Because we spent a lot in the quality and the design of our project. We manufacture everything in Italy. That is another thing that is very important. Of course, we try to be a team, and we have our own responsibility in front of our customer. And we have respect for everyone, working professionally. The communication between customer and for us is the best way for developing our product. Now we have 3 divisions. The historical one that is the one that was started from my parents for sealing pouches. The one that you know, that is the medical division, that is for sealing machine for sterilization pouches. And the last one, automatic packaging product that is for the food market. Of course, we design everything inside. So our engineers all of them are working with us. The only cooperation we have is for the most important Italian university for engineering, that is the Polimi University of Milan. We develop our own software. We manufacture our own parts that are a lot for every machine. It's unbelievable. Most of you are using, I suppose, a sealing machine. I hope some of you is using Gandus machine. But I don't know if somebody of you have never think about how many pieces there are in a machine like this. This is our last generation of machine. This is a machine that we have some there, like this. And inside, we have 400, more than 400 pieces. Unbelievable. It's high technology, really, really high technology. So when Max was speaking about the quality of the seal, the quality of your machine, this is because really we need high technology in the sealing, because the sealing is your perfect guarantee of your final process, when you are using pouches, of course. We are worldwide. We are very proud to be here. Of course, we are certified. And tomorrow, I don't know, we start from my grandfather. I hope that my grandchildren will follow the business. Okay. Then, why we are here today, not only for speaking about us. We are looking for something that is helping you in the process of your packaging. Packaging using pouches. Thanks to Amcor, you have a lot of possibilities for your packaging in pouches. We will see, you have seen the BOP, you have the Ultra, you have the Integra. So a lot of possibility to use pouches for your packaging, for your sterilization. But with all of these kind of pouches, you need an equipment dedicated to these pouches. That is very important. And our target, our goal is to help you to have everything all together and helping you to avoid the waste of time, waste of space. And what happened? The evolution of CSSD packaging process was pushed a lot by our friends, D&D, by Dejan, in finding the utmost solution for, again, helping you using pouches. Our goal was find a perfect pouch packaging station, we call it. We have seen that you are using rotary sealer. You are also using impulse sealer. But you are also using filling station. And you are also using pouch maker. So 4 different devices for using pouches. Really interesting. What is the rotary sealer? I suppose everybody knows. Sorry. This is the rotary sealer. The rotary sealer is the typical machine using for your paper polypropylene pouches. Pura, of course, is the latest product introduced by Gandus that have much more than the product we have before. What are the impulse sealers? Impulse sealers are the sealers that you are using for different material, for big pouches, and for working station. What is a workstation? You have already seen this in the previous Amcor. The workstation is the device that is useful for you for using for packing trays in the Integra or Ultra pouches. And the pouch maker. The pouch maker, that was our new product last year, is for helping you manufacturing your own pouches, starting from the reel. So you avoid to purchase the pouches of all the dimension you want, but you can work for only by the reel. You do the length you want, you do the quantity you want, and that's it for saving time, space, and money. So again, for the pouch, you have 4 devices. The first one is used for the BOPP, the purple pouches you have seen before. The second one is used for big pouches sealing, could be Integra, could be Ultra. The filling station, the workstation, is for the big kit preparation, and the pouch maker is for doing your own pouches. I would like to insist on this concept because you using pouches, and the pouches, don't forget, are helping you a lot because all the advantages of the pouches were perfectly described by Max before. But you need, for doing your perfect work, you need devices that are dedicated. How we can help you using these 4 devices, thanks to D&D idea. For your pouch packaging process, we have invented the All-for-One. The All-for-One is a station dedicated only for the pouch packaging. It's a station that is, you see all around, you have everything that I have shown you before for packaging in pouches. You have the sealer, you have the pouch maker, you have the filling station, you have the input sealer. One for All is a complete system that is gathering together all your 4 equipments in a unique element, all the necessary devices for a pouch packaging. Only 2 meters by 2 meters. If you have, yes, it's nothing. It's really nothing. It's nothing in your environment, but it's a lot on the space that it's available for you. It can be placed and moved where you want. All is on wheel, special wheel for hospital use. It's easy. You move. Okay, now today is here, tomorrow I want to have it there, no problem, I move it. I have no problem. Also because all the machine need electricity, of course, but all the electricity is in the table. So when you move the table, you have just to unplug one, move and plug another place. So you not have to move all the stuff, the rotary sealer, the pouch maker, the input sealer. No, you just move the table. No connection, nothing. Of course, we use the most ergonomics that is possible. All the surfaces are perfectly smooth. Have a look to this. I don't know how many of you have already hurted the leg during moving around the tables. And now with this one, it's soft. We try to save also your leg. Of course, we think that together with our station, you have to put also your trolls for moving whatever you want. We offer space because in the between of the machines, you have also free space where you can put whatever you want. This is interesting. I suppose not everybody have the same tool. No problem. The machine is fully adjustable because the leg can move up and down just pushing a button. So if you want to work at that level, you work at that level. If you are taller, you can work higher, no problem, just pushing up and down. Electricity, soft, just 1 minute, and you have your perfect plane, because you are 170, you have a colleague that is 160, I don't know. You have the push button, of course, on both sides for the two tables. The table, you have seen that is 2 meter by 2 meter, but it is composed by 2 single units, completely independent one from the other. If you do not have a square, you can put it there in that way. It's not a problem. They are absolutely independent, one from the other. Okay? So you can move. Tomorrow you change your layout of your CSSD, you change it. Nothing is requested. Accessories. You have seen that there are a lot of trays where you put your pouches, you put your clothes, your set, and you can also use your trolleys that are, you can fix it to the table and then move away. I have finished. One for all. Okay, thanks a lot.